Hi Whiz Kids and welcome back to Science with Sophie. I hope you're all doing really good. Today our experiments are going to be revolving around pennies. So you need to get yourself some pennies and we will be doing a few different experiments. So let's get on with the first one. So today's first experiment, we are going to be seeing how we can clean pennies with different liquids that you should or might have in your house. So I'm going to try four different ones. You could try some more, maybe with some juice or something like that. But I have 4 different pennies. I now have 3 in my hand. So you're going to need 4 pennies. You're going to need 4 glasses or cups to put your pennies in. And then water, vinegar, lemon juice and Coca-Cola. So let's get on with it. So here are the pennies before we start, and they don't look too dirty, but they are dirty in person, so we shall see what they look like when they come out of the liquids. So let's do that now. I have my 4 cups here, so I already filled the one with water up, and then we're going to take some lemon juice and fill another one up. You don't have to put too much in because it just needs to cover the penny. That's enough. And then I'm going to take the vinegar and do the same in this cup. And then the Coke. And just pour a little bit in here. So nice and simple, we're just going to place the pennies in each of them and start a 10-minute timer, and we will come back to them then. That's 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now, so let's remove the pennies from each of the thing and have a closer look at what they look like. That's the water one. So there's some bubbles around the one that's in Coke, which hopefully means that it has been cleaned by the Coke. And there was some bubbles around the vinegar one as well, but that was in the 10 minutes. It didn't when I got them out. Oh, they're looking clean. Let's have a closer look at these pennies. So these are in the same order. So the one in water is the exact same, and the one that was in vinegar looks a bit cleaner than it did, but still not the best. Now the one that was in lemon juice, oh my goodness, is super clean now, so shiny now. And then the one in Coke has also been cleaned, definitely shinier on this side. But I think we have a clear winner, which is the lemon juice. So on to experiment 2. We are going to take one of the pennies. So we're going to use the one that was in lemon juice because it is now the cleanest and shiniest one. And we're going to just pop it on the side, and then you are going to get your cup and you're going to place it over it. So you can still see the penny now. And then all you're going to do is slowly start pouring some water in the glass. So as you can see, Whiz Kids, suddenly the penny has disappeared. How weird is that? Now it's not really a magic trick because there's the penny and then suddenly the penny disappears again. So the reason it looks like the penny disappears when you put a glass of water over it, but when there's no water in it you can see it, is something called refraction. So refraction is the bending of light when it goes from one substance to another. So in this case, light, which travels in waves all around us, the waves come down, and then when it hits the water it changes from the air into the water. But because the water is a liquid and obviously air is a gas, it means that light moves slower in liquid because it takes longer to go through it. Just like when you're walking normally, obviously when you're walking down a street, you are walking in the air and you can walk a lot faster than when you try to walk when you're in water. If you're in a swimming pool or in the sea, it takes longer to walk. It is the exact same thing with light waves. So when the light goes through the water, it bends it, which means that when you put the water over the penny, it just bends being able to see the penny in a different direction, so you can't see it. So I can actually see the penny from up here when I look down into it, but you can't see it from the angle that you have, just because the light has been bent. A bit like if a mirror had been put over it, you can't see it anymore. So that is how refraction works, and that's all our experiments. Let's move the penny because it was unbalanced and we don't want an accident. But I hope you have a good week, and I shall see you very soon. Bye!